So I wasn't able to find Sensational, but I found Outre Shaday. So I'm thinking that's the same wig, but let's just get into it. So we're going to be installing her today. She is 32 inches. She's in the color 1B. This unit is long AF, but it is a 13x6 lace frontal. So this is her straight out the box. This is the lace portion. It does come with combs and elastic band and drawstrings. So this is what she looks like fresh out of the pack on my mannequin head. Okay, look at the hairline. Don't even play. Outre came in the clutch because this hairline is hairlining. Okay, this is how much you can part on the side. Not too much, but in the middle, baby, bless them with a part, period. So it does have a lot of bounce. It is a little on the shiny side and it does feel synthetic-y, but that's neither here or there. So I'm pulling out my Kiss hot comb today and we're going to hot comb this bad boy. I love to use this hot comb for my synthetic wigs because I feel like it don't get really that hot, but it's going to get the job done. I have gone back to using wax on my synthetic wigs, but just a little bit because it will get way down and greasy and stringy. So just a tad bit just to keep everything in place. So I'm going in with my Kiss rat tail comb and we're just going to go ahead and do a bust down middle part. Look at this hairline. I cannot stop obsessing because Outre, y'all doing it like this. Y'all need to keep the consistency up though, because some of y'all always don't be hairlining. Some of them do, but some of them don't. So we're just gonna go in and do a little bit of plucking. As you guys can see, you don't need to pluck at all because, baby, when I tell you Outre ate this hairline up, they ate it up. But I was just trying to do more of, you know, I was trying to get virgin hair vibes, okay? And y'all know I don't really pluck my synthetic units, but I say, hey, since this is straight hair unit and I'm not going to be really messing up the curl pattern or anything like that, let's just go ahead and just go all out and pluck it. So that's what I did, and we're just going to go ahead and brush out the remaining hairs that fell out after I did that section. So now I'm just going in to tint my lace. I'm using Red by Kisses Lace Tint Spray in the shade medium dark brown. I'm just going to go ahead and fully cover this lace. Like I said, you can use foundation, you can use concealer, you can use whatever you have. But I love this spray. This spray always makes my units look like I bleached the knots. So I love this stuff. And I'm just going to go ahead and allow it to dry as well. All right, we're going to put this bad boy on our head, okay? And baby, what lace, okay? This is looking so good. We're going to zoom in a minute. I am just going to wipe my hair strands off a little bit because I did get some of that tinted spray on the outside. And yeah, so look at it, y'all. It's looking real good, real good. Now I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and just cut some jagged edges in the lace just so it won't look like a blunt line across my head. And we're just gonna cut the lace off that is not needed. And I like to cut fairly close to my hairline because I feel like the less the lace, the better. Now I'm going in with my favorite lace spray, and this is by Kiss. I will be sure to list everything in the description section below. I do about 3 layers. I don't show me doing all 3 layers on camera because I feel like, baby, it's repetitive, but I do about 3 layers, and then I wait till it's tacky and align my wig with where I place that lace spray. So I'm making sure to make sure my lace is not rolled up. It did, but I just unrolled it and lay it down. I'm being sure not to stretch my lace too much because if you stretch it too tightly and lay it down on that product, it's gonna make your wig look very much potato chip-y. It's gonna, you know, it's gonna give a ripple effect, and that's not what you're trying to give. So make sure you're just laying it flat but not tight. Don't pull it too tight, okay? So yeah, so we're gonna pretty much continue this same process throughout our entire unit. I know a lot of people ask me how I remove my wigs. I was like, I don't want to do a whole video on that because I just literally use this one product, or I use water literally and it just melts off. But I will list that product that I use to remove it in the description section below. I feel like I'll probably do a short or something, but like dedicate a whole video, I feel like it's gonna be literally 1 minute because it doesn't even take that long. So now we're going in with some lace tint mousse, and this is by IWELL. This is the shade dark brown. It does look a little light when I apply it, but baby, it oxidizes, so it's going, you know, it's going to turn into the shade that it's supposed to. This brush, I don't know the name of it offhand, but I will make sure it is in the description section. If it's not down there, baby, yell at me and I will put it there, okay? Here, using my Time O Ring flat iron, and baby, when I say I love this product, I love this flat iron, okay? I don't put any product on the hair because, as you guys can see, it is a little bit shiny already, so you do not need to add heat protectant or anything like that. Also, be sure to make sure your flat iron is on the lowest heating setting unless you want to change the texture of your hair. This was kind of up too high, so it went from like a yucky texture to kind of a silky texture, but it actually depends on what you're looking for, because this hair is actually thick and density is giving yucky, but when I ran my flat iron through it, actually changed the texture to like a silky texture. So I'm going in to remove the wrap, and of course, as expected, it looks amazing. Don't hate. Okay, so anyway, y'all, just kidding. I'm just gonna go ahead and do some baby hairs, and y'all know I love me some baby hairs, so we're just gonna go ahead and do or pull out a little section. I'd like to do angles. I'm all about angles. I don't know why. And I'm gonna cut at another angle. It's a slanted angle. And then I'm gonna take my mini 1-inch Kiss flat iron, and we're just gonna roll it up. We're gonna flat iron away from my face so the curls go in that direction. So I'm applying a got2b glue gel in a black bottle, and I'm using my blow dryer to dry this product down before I start swooping. Yes, a lot of people say the got2b glue gel in the black bottle be messy and sloppy, and baby, you right. So dry it down a little bit and then swoop, and I promise you that your hair and the product won't be swooping all over the place. So y'all see me trimming up these baby hairs because I don't like that big baby hair effect, but if you do, baby, do you, but I don't. So I'm just gonna trim them and keep swooping until I like it, and then I'm gonna seal everything in with the spritz and dry it down again, and use the back of my brush to, you know, flatten everything down. So I know people will be like, I can't wait till these baby hairs go out of style. This trend is stupid. It'd be a lot of girls saying that on TikTok, and I'd be like, oh my goodness. Well, for me, baby hairs is not a trend to me. Like, once it stops, I'll still be doing it because I love baby hairs, but I might grow out them one day, but not right now. Okay, now I'm going into define my part just using Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and boom, y'all see how that looks? It looks so freaking good. So lastly, we're going into style this unit. Since I styled Outre Shaday, I'm gonna style this one, and we're just gonna do pigtails, 2 pigtails. I know it's called 2 pigtails, but I call them 2 pigtails. Okay. I felt, of course, just like Bexley, you're limited on the styles that you can do because you don't have a lot of side parting space. So it is what it is. So overall, I'm gonna give this unit, we're gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10. Compared to Bexley, I probably would pick Bexley over Shaday, because I feel like Shaday tangled a little bit more quickly than Bexley did. I know straight hair gonna tangle anyway, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe she's longer than Bexley. But regardless, I love her. I love the hairline. I love everything about her, and she's giving what she's supposed to give. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.